So, do you use time management every week, like a daily planner or some kind of digital calendar or something like that? Because I've been looking for a new form of time management, and we were talking about this in my weekly mastermind this morning, and everybody shared what they do. And we were talking about how, for so many of us, we have these massive to do lists, and then by the end of the week, inevitably, there are items on the list that don't get done, right? So, if you can relate to that, I want to talk about how this relates to your book. Because just like it's important to find your own method of daily planning, it's also imperative that you find a way to structure your book before you write. That's kind of like your to-do list, and then you can follow it if you have the right structure. So, really detailed, structured versions work for some people, loose, more flowing versions work for other people. But I think it's imperative that you find the structure that works for you and your book. That's what's going to keep you writing. Because it's actually amazing when you have the structure right, even if it's a very loose framework, if it's the one that suits you, that works for the way your brain works, that is what's going to allow you to write. And you'll be able to sit down every day and know where you're going. And that's a first step. That's one of the things I do with clients in our book builder session. And I would suggest that you do nail down your outline, if you want to call it that, or your plan, or whatever works for you before you start writing. That's how you're going to get it done.